I am a project finance attorney, so I work on large-scale infrastructure projects, large and small, power projects, refineries, toll roads, student housing, courthouses, and I have a specialty in stadium financing. I started my career as a civil engineer. So I went to undergraduate school at the Columbia School of Engineering and came out of it as a highway and bridge designer. Ended up going to law school at night. Next thing I knew, I was summer associate at a large firm, and then I was a first year at a large firm, had given up engineering. And a year into that gig, they asked me if I wanted to move to Indonesia. So back in the mid-90s, Indonesia was booming. Construction was, and financing of projects, again, toll roads, refineries, power plants, ports, was taking off, and the law firm I was with asked me if I'd like to go because they needed somebody with my engineering background to help with the contracts that were being done there. 5 years later, 3 kids later, my wife and I decided to move back to the States and continued practicing international project finance in places like Saudi Arabia, Czech Republic, India, Philippines, Ukraine, and so I've really had an international project finance background. You know, I always have family ask me, why don't you go on your own? Why do you go with a law firm? So, well, in my practice, you really can't do it alone. It's important to be with a firm that has a well-rounded, deep bench, and Duane Morris offers that and more.